When we hear the word speciation, we almost think of something sudden, like one species instantly splitting into two. So, you might ask, where does this process start? It starts with genetic variation. Genetic variation means differences in DNA sequences in between individuals. These differences come from mutations, which are random changes in DNA and recombination. Now here's a question. What happens when two populations stop sharing genetic changes? Their genomes begin to diverge. A classic example of this is Darwin's finches. On different islands, finches evolved different beak shapes depending on available food. At the genomic level, this reflects changes, allele frequencies, and gene regulations, which controls when and how strongly genes are expressed. In other words, speciation isn't about different genes, it's about different gene activity. Another important process is genetic drift. Imagine a storm wiping out a population, not because of traits, but because of chance. Their surviving gene pool looks different, and over time, these random shifts can lead to significant genomic divergence. Interestingly, not all genomes diverge at the same rate. Scientists often find genomic islands of divergence, which are small regions of the genome that differ strongly between populations, even when the rest of the genome remains similar. These regions often contain genes evolved in adaptation or reproduction and are resistant to gene flow. Structural changes in DNA can speed this process up. For example, chromosomal interventions flip sections of DNA, reducing recombination and keeping beneficial gene combinations together. In plants, polyploidy or whole genome duplication can create instant reproductive isolation, basically speciation in one generation. Eventually, these genomic differences lead to reproductive barriers. Some are prezygotic, like different mating behaviors or seasons. Others are post-zygotic, such as sterile hybrids like mules. So, speciation isn't just one mutation or one moment. It's a gradual genomic process shaped by mutation, selection, drift, and gene regulation. When differences accumulate, populations cross threshold, and a new species is born.